So I'm told you just cooked up something really spicy, and I wish I had like smell-o-vision that I could actually smell it. I can't, unfortunately. I don't have that superpower, but what's on the stove?
Oh boy, so right here I have my pumpkin chili, which is a delight and is so quick and easy to make and is such a crowd pleaser, perfect for like a football Sunday or an outdoor potluck or something like that. There's pumpkin in it, of course, a whole can. There's black beans, there's tomatoes, there's corn, there's chili, there's zucchini, there's garlic, there's onion, there's sage. It is wonderful, and there's so much of it, so leftovers of this bad boy are the best overs.
It looks good. Protein, fiber, vitamins, my goodness, everything's in there. And you've got like a pumpkin twist for dinner. What's that?
I love making mac and cheese out of pumpkin. So it's vegan, so there's no dairy in it. Instead, I use almond milk and tahini and nutritional yeast to create like a delicious pumpkin sauce. Also, of course, there's a can of pumpkin. I put in spinach, don't tell anyone, sage, all sorts of goodness, and it is quick, easy, and incredibly filling.
Man, that looks good. Now, you say you have a prize pumpkin sweet treat. I like sweets, I gotta be honest with you. So take me through your sweet treat when it comes to pumpkins.
Yeah, for sure. Everyone always asks me, do you like dessert? And I just say, yeah, I eat dessert. It's just sweet, healthy food. So that's what this is. These are pumpkin peanut butter blondies. So to make them, I add into a food processor some chickpeas. I throw in, obviously, some pumpkin. I got some sugar. What else? Peanut butter, and you can use almond butter if peanuts are no bueno in your
You say
life.
some sugar, that was a whole lot of sugar.
Not a ton. Not a ton. It makes a lot. Rolled oats going on in there.
Like
and then
that?
obviously the spices like pumpkin pie and cinnamon, some baking soda, and a little bit of maple syrup to complete the texture. There's no oil, there's no egg, and you're just gonna process that up. I don't wanna blow out your eardrums. So
I gotta live in your house, because when you say a little, it looks like a whole lot to me.
It makes a lot, watch. Boom. So
okay.
I already tasted one. You know, I just had to make sure like it was kosher to put on TV. It made a ton. So these are my pumpkin chickpea blondies.
Hey, listen, you got to send some of those to me, and at least deserve that. You got me like looking at my TV screen going, ah! It looks great.
I know, such is life right now, right?
Well, Talia, thanks so much for joining us. And for more recipes and pumpkin ideas, just go to our website, thedoctorstv.com.